Assalamu alaikum pre-9 class. I am your teacher Ma'am Hira and this is our lecture of chemistry. This is specially scheduled for those who have missed my morning class so that you can cope up with our regular schedule. We are on unit number 1 nowadays and our today's topic is self-assessment 1.6. We do complete self-assessment side by side and it is related to our yesterday topic, and those who have read will definitely answer my questions related to this. So guys, here we have to identify the terms we have read yesterday: cations, anions, free radical, etc. So we have to identify the first one. What is this? It has a sign of minus onto that. So how will you identify what is it? This is an anion. Why? Because the negative sign shows that it has received electrons. Alright guys, moving towards next. What is next? This has a sign of unpaired electrons, so it is what? It is free radical. Understood? Next to that has a positive sign. So what does that mean? It means it is a cation. Why? Because the positive sign indicates that it has donated 2 electrons to some other atom. Moving towards next, again we have minus. The minus sign indicates that this is an anion because it has received 3 electrons. Moving towards next, CH4 plus sign shows that it is a cation. And the last but not the least, these are the unshared electron pairs, so it is a free radical. Alright guys, we have learned the definition of these terms yesterday. Next to that is a molecule. The definition of molecule. What is a molecule? I have told you yesterday that atoms combine to make a molecule. Two different atoms just combine to make a molecule, to make them stable, because they cannot exist in normal state, in single state. Different atoms combine to make molecule to gain stability, to attain stability. Alright, so there are two different types of the molecule given in your book. I will explain you these two types today. One is monoatomic and next is polyatomic. So let me tell you the meaning hidden in the word, which is according to my style. This is very important. It becomes very easy to just remember the meaning of the word. So what is monoatomic molecule? Here the word mono means one. Remember that guys. Mono means one and atomic means of course atom. So those molecules which have a single atom, they are called monoatomic molecule. Just like H2, it has how many atoms? Only one atom, hydrogen. Two atoms of hydrogen combine to form a molecule which is of hydrogen molecule, and it is monoatomic molecule. Next example is of oxygen, similarly nitrogen, etc. Alright guys, when one kind of atom combine to make molecule, the molecules are called monoatomic molecule. Next to that is poly. What does poly means? Poly means many, more than 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. And atomic means atom. When two different atoms combine, more than 2 can also combine. For example, H2O. Now you will get the meaning what I am saying. Actually, this is a polyatomic molecule. Why? Because it has two kinds of atoms into them. One is hydrogen, next is oxygen. Alright guys, now here two different atoms combine themselves to make a molecule. So this molecule is called a polyatomic molecule. Another example I will give you, that is carbon dioxide. So is it a monoatomic or polyatomic molecule? Of course it's a polyatomic molecule. Why? Because it has two different kind of atoms. I will give you an example of 3 atoms, that is HCl. What does this mean? It's of course 2, HClO3. Let's go with that. This is a molecule, but it's a polyatomic molecule. Why? It has hydrogen into them, it has chlorine into them, and it has oxygen into them as well. So these are the examples of polyatomic molecule, and these were the examples of monoatomic molecule. Alright my dear class, I hope you have understood the concept of monoatomic molecule, polyatomic molecule. Alright, this was all about our today's topic. Make sure you learn all these topics regularly. If you don't do that, it becomes a burden on yourself. So just make yourself free, make yourself easy, utilize your free time due to pandemic. Just learn these topics by heart. It will definitely will be helpful to you, useful to you. Protect you and your family from pandemic COVID-19. Stay home, stay safe, subscribe our YouTube channel. Allah Hafiz.